Carrasco. I am a master electrician, a certified electrician, and I'm also a licensed electrical inspector. And I offer 4 different master classes for electrical. And I offer them because I want to be able to empower people in their home. So, I offer a master class in changing out your light switch. You change out your light switch because you don't like the color anymore, you want it to be a rocker, you want it to be a dimmer. There's a number of reasons why people want to change out a light switch. And so I have a master class for that. I show you how to do that from the panel to wherever that switch is. And once I show you how to do one, then you can do them in your house for all of the rooms. I do another separate master class in receptacles. Same thing. Your receptacles. You might want to use one that got a USB cord in it. You might want to change the color because of the decor of your house. You want to change it because now they're tamper-proof. You might want to change it because the little light that you want to put inside the receptacle, the light is turned, the receptacle is facing one way and you want it to go another way, and the only way it can work is if you turn it around. Well, again, I show you how to change that receptacle out from the panel box to wherever the receptacle is. Once I show you how to do one, you can do the other ones. The third masterclass I show you is how to change out a pendant light. Primarily, your pendant lights are ones that go over top of your island or at the top of your steps or on your porch. Those are like lights that hang. I'm not showing you how to change a ceiling fan because the ceiling fan got too many different parts. But once I show you how to change out that pendant light, you'll be able to change out all your lights if you wanted to, for whatever reason. You can buy one and you want a new one in, you can do it yourself. And then the last class I teach is how to save that beautiful lamp that's been passed down through the heirlooms, or you found one and the socket is broke on it, or you need to change the cord on it. That's the only thing that can be broken out of all the classes that I teach. Everything else has to be in working order. We just changing them out safely. Okay? And they're in your home. So it had to be at least 4 or more people for me to come out, and the person who hosts gets the most out of it because I'm actually in their space, showing you how to do it from soup to nuts. Now everybody else who comes, 4 or more people, they're going to be very comfortable and confident that they'll be able to do it. Because after all, if I can do it, you can do it. Deuces.